If you wanna watch my video, you have to do comments and say I love your videos. You have to comment it. Bye. And next is my friend Lemon Hoi. Hi. Hi. How are you? I'm gonna be turning 12 in February. Go go. What is your aim in life? Policeman. Policeman. Wow. You have to be strong then. How old is your father? I don't know. I think he'll be turning 36, I guess. 36. Wow. He's younger than my mother. And then, are you the only sibling? No. How many siblings? I have two siblings. Oh. Are you the oldest one? No, I'm the middle child. Wow, okay. Go. Next question is, who do you love more, your mother or your father? My mother. Your mother, wow. Hey guys, welcome back. And this is me, Zouzam. So today I'm going to show you my grandmother's beautiful garden. So let's get started now. First of all, these are called lettuce, and then it is called ancam in a language. Look, you can see it. Look, it is so tasty, and my grandmother always cook it. And next up, this is anzangka. Look, this is so tasty for my sister, but I actually don't like them. And then next, this is actually, look, it is so big, like almost this much. So it is so big that a kid can also eat it already. And next up is the flower cactus. They are so beautiful. They already have like some fruit already. And next are also actually they're so red. And next is mango tree. We make it in like 2017. It is so already big. Look, this much. It is so big. And next is, look, these things. This is the tree, and these are called in. You can just clean your body also with them. And next up is, what should we do next? I forgot to tell this. This one is the beautiful flower I have ever seen. We can also take picture, look like this, like we can take picture. We can take picture in here. We can also post in Instagram. You can do vlogs and all. And next up, it is this stone. You can also take picture from here when you're like so tired, when you have no place to sit. You can also sit in the stone. And next is, this is my grandfather's cycle. He already bought it before I was born in like 2009 or something, isn't it? And then he used to drive it and used to collect like some things which is made out of steel. And then next, look. And this is my brother Longo. Say hi, Longo. Hi. Hello guys. Say, you have to say. And this is my friend Lam Min Hoi. Say hi. Hello. And next is this aloe vera. You can use it for gel and for our face also. Look. We can use it for so many medicine, okay? Look, they're so good. And next up is, what should we do next? No. Yeah, I forgot this one. And you guys see this? They are dry, but they are really good. Look, these things. They're so good. Not only that, I used to take picture in these things in my mother's phone. They are so excuse me, and they are so good. Like you can take picture for Instagram. Like you can just prank people by saying I am in the jungle. Yeah. You can just say that. That's so funny. And this is my small tree. I love it so much. Look. I match the tree. And next up is Come on, look this. Look these things. I forgot your name. This is a tomato. We already have like 3 grain. Come on, look. Come. There's one red one here. Red and green. This one is also green. And then next, that big tree. It is called Zongtra in my language. I just forgot what is in the list. But it's called Zongtra. When my grandfather was alive, he used to put that Zongtra. He keep it in this beautiful place. But he just passed away yesterday. And not only that, this is a big like we saw it over there. It is a big right? And it is so beautiful. I used to take picture here yesterday. And then next up is this is what is this? Yeah, what is this? It's like a cactus. Oh, it's a dragon fruit. Yes, it is a dragon fruit. We don't use to pour water to try it already died. And next is this tree. This tree is also given by my grandfather. Why? It is so tall. And next, what should we do next? What is this, Coco? What is this? So, this will be the last things I can say. So, thank you for watching and bye bye. Bye. Say bye, Coco. Bye bye. So hello guys, this is my name is Zouzam, and this is say, what is your name? What is your name? What is your name, Gogo? Yango. Yango, and what is your full name? And next, how old are you? 4 years old. You are 4 years old. Wow. And what is your father's name? Chapang. Chapang. And what is your mother's name? Ricky. Then what's your grandfather's name? Yeah, I mean grandmother's name. Pamnu. Pamnu. And what is your? Did you have a sibling? No. And then, are you the smallest one? No. You are the biggest, we can say. And next is my friend. Hi. 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 How are you? I'm gonna be turning 12 in February. Okay. What is your father's name? My father's name is Domin Lal. And what is your mother's name? My mother's name is Esther Nyang Swanching. And how old is your mother? Like, I think she'll be turning 31 this year. How old is your father? I don't know. I think he'll be turning 36, I guess. 36. Wow. He's younger than my mother. And then, do you have a grandfather or grandmother? I have a grandmother, but my grandfather died in 2004. Wow. Then you will be next sibling, and are you the only sibling? No. How many siblings? I have 2 siblings. Oh. Are you the oldest one? No, I'm the middle child. Wow. Okay. Go. Next question is, who do you love more, your mother or your father? My mother. Your mother? Wow. Why do you love your mother more? My mother and father. Wow, you love them both? Yes. And next question for you, Lamnahoy, it is, who do you love more as same as Coco? I love them both, my parents. Oh, you love them both, that's cool. So, what is your favorite curry? My favorite curry is beef curry. You know, when you fry. Then what is your favorite flavor in the ice cream? It's chocolate. Chocolate? You can say too. Chocolate and vanilla. Okay. Go. What is your favorite curry? Dal curry. Dal curry? Wow. My brother also likes the curry. And what is your favorite flavor in the ice cream? Pick two. Strawberry. Strawberry and chocolate. strawberry and chocolate. You also like chocolate. You do the same. And next up question is going to be, what is your favorite fast food? Fast food like pizza, burger, and all.
French fries and
French fries and
tomato ketchup.
French fries and ketchup. Oh, I also want French fries. How about you, Nanhai?
I guess I'll say French fries because when we go to a restaurant, I always choose French fries.
You both have the same favorite in fast food. So next question is going to be, what will be your favorite fruit? Just five fruit. Five.
First will be watermelon. Second will be dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit,
Third will be grapes.
grape,
Fourth will be mango.
mango, and
Fifth will be, I think, will be cherry.
okay. Those are all really tasty. But I used to hate watermelon. And Gogo, what is your favorite fruit?
My favorite food is apple, banana.
Banana.
Then,
You like mango?
yes,
Apple, banana, mango, and then uh,
dragon fruit
dragon fruit. Yeah.
and
One more.
watermelon.
Wow, you both like watermelon, but I actually don't like watermelon. And what is your aim in life?
My aim in life is to become a doctor.
Same aim in life as me. Go, what is your aim in life?
Policeman.
Policeman. Wow, you have to be strong then, right?
Yes.
Yes. And next question is going to be, what is your sister name?
My sister name is Moisiam Kim.
And what is your youngest brother name?
Uh, my youngest brother name is Joshua Lian Monsang.
Okay, that is cool. And like you can just say, in which class do you study?
In 10.
Liar. In which class do you study?
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh. And Nunai, in which class do you study?
I'm gonna be studying 6 this year.
Oh, almost the same. What is your favorite movie to watch?
Favorite movie is Monster Truck.
Monster Truck. Oh, wow. That's cool. That's for kids. And Nunai, what's your favorite movie?
I guess it will be MSA and Darman.
Darman. Understand, Darman. Okay. So next we will be asking another person. I mean, in the next episode, we will be asking another person. So this is all we want to say today. So thank you. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. Say
Bye.
if you want to watch my video, you have to do comments and say I love your videos. You have to comment it. Bye. Bye.